Here's how to use the embed options in Popular Posts. First, log into your WordPress site, then navigate to Insights and select Popular Posts. Here you'll see 3 tabs: Inline Popular Post Widget, and Popular Products. To configure Inline Popular Posts, start by selecting the theme that you want to use and configure your selection here. In the Custom Design section, you can personalize the title, label, and background to match your style. Then in the Behavior section, you can adjust how the widget behaves by going to the Widget Styling section, where you can either use the default styling or apply your own custom CSS. In the Sort By section, you can determine how the popular post will be sorted, either by comment count, share count, or curated selections. In the Automated Plus Curated section, you can automatically add your top 5 posts from the last 30 days to your curated list of posts. Be sure to check out our detailed guide in the knowledge base for more information. Finally, in the Placement section, you can decide whether to insert the post automatically or manually. If you prefer manual placement, you can use the block editor or insert the widget using a shortcode. Automatic placement allows you to choose where in the post body the widget will appear. You can set the widget to appear after a specific number of words, or you can choose to insert it multiple times throughout longer posts. You can also include or exclude specific post types. Now let's configure the Popular Post widget. This widget allows you to display your popular post in areas like your sidebar and other widget areas. Start by selecting your preferred theme, where you can choose between a wide or narrow layout and preview it here. In the Custom Design section, you can adjust the title and background to fit your site's look. Now in the Wide Layout option, choose the number of columns that you want displayed. Next, in the Post Count section, select how many posts that you want displayed within the widget. In the Behavior section, you'll find the Widget Styling section just as you did before, so you can choose between the default styling or apply your own CSS, just like Inline Popular Posts. In the Sort By section, decide whether the post will be sorted by comments, shares, or curated. In the Widget Title section, you can set a title for the widget with the option to toggle the display on or off. Then in the Include and Post Type section, you can select where the widget will be placed, specific post where the widget will not be placed, and select to only show posts from these specific categories. For Embed Options, you can place the widget automatically after the last paragraph of any post that matches the behavior settings. If you choose manual placement, you can embed them using the block editor and a shortcode, or the widget in a sidebar. Finally, in the Popular Products tab, you can highlight your best-selling or featured products from your WooCommerce store. First, select the theme and choose between the wide or narrow layout and preview it here. In the Custom Design section, adjust the color and size of your title, price, and rating. In the Wide Layout Options section, select how many columns that you'd like to display. In the Product Count section, choose how many products that you want to showcase in the widget. In Display Options, decide what product details will be displayed, such as price and rating. Now in the Behavior section, under the Widget Styling, you can choose the default styling or apply your own custom CSS. Then you can choose to title your widget and set your display preferences. In the Exclude These Product Categories section, you can select product categories you don't want displayed. And in the Exclude Products section, you can specify individual products that you want to exclude. Finally, in the Embed Options section, you can either use automatic placement, where the widget will appear at the end of single product pages, or for manual placement, you can use the block editor and shortcode, or the widget in a sidebar.